Hi, so today I'm making a video in support of digestion. And as we know, many people have issues with digestion. So anything from nausea all the way down to excretion issues. So we want to make sure that we're supporting good flow in our digestion because that means you have good health and vitality. So to do this exercise, we're going to do a lot of deep breathing. So I'm going to invite you to place your tongue behind the upper front teeth. Close your mouth and we're going to begin to breathe in and out through the nose. So let's take a few long, slow, deep breaths and just get a sense of being nice and upright in your posture as you do this. And just breathing in. Imagine if you can feel your belly expand and then relax. Expand and relax. Drop your hands, just let them rest down by your thighs. With this nice deep breathing posture, we're going to bring our focus to our lower abdomen, which is called the lower danchen, lower energy center. And let's breathe in and bring your hands up, and then exhale, let them come down. Inhale, exhale. Lift the hands, let them drop. So the idea here is we want to make sure that we're like doing this, not just hands going willy-nilly through the air. We want to make sure we're having a little bit of connection with that. So it's like you're going through water. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Filling up and releasing. Filling and releasing. Belly goes out, belly collapses. Let's just do this for a few more moments and then we're going to expand on this movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. And now we're going to add a little bit of extra here. So as we breathe in, we're going to fill up. Imagine filling with golden light. And as you exhale, you're going to spin that energy. So the downward movement is creating this flow. Up the back, down your front. Creating a rotation here. Inhale, exhale. We can even do a simulated motion of that. Exhale. Inhale, fill. Exhale, spin. Inhale, fill. Exhale, spin. And you can do this version of the movement for a few more times just to kind of get a sense of that flow. But otherwise, coming back to this when you're ready. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, fill, exhale, we spin, creating the flow we desire in our digestive tract. Breathing in and out. In and out. In and spin. In and spin. And get a sense of more and more energy flowing into this lower energy center, right here at the pelvis, right at the lower abdomen. Like you're filling up from a beautiful meal. What you're doing is you're filling up with qi, filling up with life force, and you're getting it activated so it's moving. If you're dealing with a lot of issues here, you can do this up to 250 times, but you should do it at least a minimum of 50, because that's a nice way to keep things balanced. In and out. Breathe in and out. 3 more. And let your hands come down, and using your mind, let's do that in our mind. Breathe in and spin. Breathe in and spin. 1 more time. Good. This is a wonderful exercise and it's very safe. You can do this every day if you want, especially if you're dealing with issues. I would recommend that you would do this at least 100 times if you're dealing with some severe issues. If they're really, really bad though, go up to 250 like I mentioned. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.